And then this area is your Hello mga kabahay, this is me, Rodelio Moreno from Homescape Realty, and I will be your host today sa ating house tour. And as of now, we are here at Marikina City, and we are going to show you one of the property that we are sell in the exclusive subdivision here. And aside sa exclusive, this is 100% flood free po. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to get notified whenever we release new property video. So let's get started. So andito tayo ngayon sa labas ng property, and as you can see, mukha tayong nasa harap ng house pero nasa side tayo ng unit. So the property has two entrance or has two gates. Nandito tayo sa pinaka side gate niya, and later dun tayo papasok sa ating main gate. So from here, kita natin yung ating uncovered parking area. So pasok tayo dun sa ating pinaka main gate. Samahan niyo ko. Ang kagandahan po sa unit na to, this is actually a corner unit. So usually pag corner unit, malalaki talaga yung cut ng lote. And aside from that, this is few steps lang from the main gate and also from the clubhouse. So may mga halaman na rin tayo dito, and we are here at our main gate, and kita natin yung very elegant na pasad niya. So pasok tayo sa loob. Pagpasok natin ng gate, we are here on the patio, and that is the main door. Later pasok tayo dyan. And this is our one covered parking with outlet and with faucet na rin for the car washing or other cleaning activity. And of course, on this area naman, andito yung ating pinaka garden. And we have pathway going sa gate na kung saan ako nakatayo kanina. Ang kagandahan dito sa area na to, napakalaki nung garden natin. So sa mga plantito at plantita na nating mga customer, talagang this is perfect for you. So may mga existing na rin siya na mga halaman, but if you prefer other plants, you can customize naman. At kung may mga alaga kayong aso, perfect din to kasi pwede nilang maging playground. So let's proceed, check natin yung kung ano yung meron dito. Ayan. Pasensya na po pala, medyo makalat pa. Katulad yan, may bakal pa. Medyo makalat kasi the property is still under finishing pa. So, talagang medyo makakita tayo ng makalat. So, ito yung ating uncovered parking dito sa side, yung tinuro ko kanina. So, wala siyang cover. But, pag na-turn over na to sa inyo, pwede nyo naman lagyan na ng bubong. Ayan. So, that door, ang ating maid's room. So, hindi siguro na natin papasukin siya ng gaano kasi medyo makalat pa. Pero yung maid's room natin, kasya ang single bed, malaki pa, pwede pa makapaglagay ng drawer, tapos may sarili na ring CR. And this door is going sa ating kitchen and dining area. Later, makikita natin yan. So, let's go to the main door. Doon tayo pumasok. And now, andito na tayo sa ating main door. And pasok and welcome to your future home. So, we are here now at your high ceiling living area, and as you can see, this is covered by a huge glass window. Yun yung kagandahan dito sa living area natin kasi hindi siya kulob tignan since napapaligiran tayo ng mga glass window, pumapasok yung natural light at may right ventilation galing sa labas. And from here, makikita po natin yung ating pocket garden sa labas na talagang masarap sa mata, maaliwalas. And this area, ito yung provision natin for TV, and this is made of tiles. And tiles po yung wall na to. So, yes, stairs going sa second floor, and of course, we have here a stock room. Yung area na to, pwede nyo gawing stock room para hindi po masayang. And on this side, naka-glass window na din po para pumasok pa rin yung may ventilation pa rin at natural light galing sa labas. And this area is your powder room. This will be your powder room. And we are now here at our dining area, and as you can see, this is also surrounded of glass window, and we are here a sliding door. Hindi lang siya kita ngayon kasi may harang po sa labas. Pero ito po yan, ikakabit pa lang. So, ang kagandahan dito, kung mapapansin nyo, pakita ko lang yung ating living area, yung kanyang divider is wall. Unlike sa iba, na yung parang naging divider lang between dining area and living area is parang simpleng kahoy lang. Pero ito, wall siya. So, talagang may privacy. Pag may bisita kayo, tapos nagkakainan kayo dito, may privacy kayo. So, maganda yung purpose nitong wall na to. Ayan. And from here, kita rin natin yung ating parking area and of course, yung ating pocket garden. Pag naka-open to, maganda to pag wala siyang harang kasi kitang-kita mo yung garden mo dun sa labas. So habang nagkakainan kayo, may view kayo ng garden. Sarap nun sana. So this door, ito yung papunta sa parking area and also sa ating maid's room. And this is your beautiful kitchen. Napakaganda ng kitchen natin. This is granite, itong ginamit natin dito. And of course, your double sink and upper cabinet and lower cabinet. And as you can see, bukod sa malawak yung ating dining area, yung kitchen natin, malaki siya. So kung pwede pa kayo dito maglagay ng tawag ba doon? Yung parang pinaka pwedeng island, ayun, nakalimutan ko. So, pwede pa kayong maglagay dito ng island. So, sa mga mahilig magluto, perfect tong kitchen na to para sa inyo. And we also have here a bar table. Napakaganda. Napaka-elegante ng ng kitchen niya. Hindi lang basta naisip na kitchen, talagang pinagplanuhan. So, napakaganda. So, we're done to our first floor. Akit naman tayo sa ating second floor. And look at your handrails. This is made of glass na din po. Napaka-elegante. Ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating second floor and as you can see, meron ditong door. It will lead us going sa ating balcony, pero later check po natin yan. And from here, makikita natin yung ating living area sa baba. And of course, ang garden natin sa labas. And then this area is your big family area. Ang laki po niya, hindi ko lang sure kung talagang kita sa camera kung gaano siya kalaki, pero malaki po siya compare sa ibang family area and surrounded din siya ng glass, so talagang maaliwala siya even nakapatay yung ilaw. So this area, pwede nyo gawin pong kung may mga nagbibilyar sa inyo, billiard area, or it could be your gym, pwede rin po sa laki po niya. And meron na din po siya rito balcony, terrace. Ayan. So, from here, kita natin yung kung ano yung nasa labas, yung ating mga kapitbahay. And it's very safe naman po sa area natin. And then, as you can see, this wall is also made of tiles. So, katulad ng ating living area, this is also your provision here na lagayan po ng TV. So, very elegante po yung lagayan ng TV. And this door is our master's bedroom. So, this is our master's bedroom. And you see, this is very spacious po. Kasya ang king size na bed. And we have here a sliding window. As usual, for the natural light and for the proper ventilation. And our walk-in closet. Ayan. Actually, kaka-paint lang nito eh. Ang ganda niya. Ganda ng ating mga closet. And ang kanyang bathroom, ang ating master's bathroom. Pasok. So, let's go sa ating balcony. Here we are sa ating balcony, and as you can see, malaki rin po ang ating balcony area. And from here, tanaw natin dito yung ating main gate, and sa gilid po ng main gate, nandiyan po yung ating clubhouse. And on this side naman, kita natin yung ating pocket garden, and look at the beautiful facade of the house. Ang ganda po niya. Ganda ng finishing, ganda ng mga ginamit na materyales. So, pasok tayo and let's go to our third floor to see other 3 rooms. So, this is total of 4 bedrooms aside sa maid's room. While we are going upstairs, mga kabahay, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for you to get notified whenever we release new property video. Finally, we're here at our third floor, mga kabahay, and we have 3 rooms po sa floor na ito. So, unahin na natin ang ating bedroom Number 1. Pasok. Ayan, so may sarili na rin siyang cabinet, and also this is covered with glass window. And for the proper ventilation, and of course para sa natural light galing sa labas. So from here pala, may view tayo ng mga puno and ng bundok, and kita rin natin yung konting part ng Ortigas, and mataas kasi yung area na to eh. Kasi kahit Marikina itong area na to, flood free siya kasi medyo mataas yung area na ito. So check natin yung other 2 rooms. So our bedroom number 2. So may sarili rin siyang cabinet, and of course surrounded by the glass window, and from here kita natin yung ating yung mga puno. May view tayo ng mga puno, and once you open this window, papasok yung sariwang hangin galing sa labas. So malamig yung room na to, gawa ng nasa likod niya. Nakikita naman po natin may mga puno siya. So to our last room sa ating 3rd bedroom. So we're here to our bedroom number 3, and of course may sarili na rin siyang cabinet, and nakikita niyo medyo makalat talaga yung room kasi talagang gumagawa pa sila dito sa mga kwarto. So this room, among the 3 rooms na nakita natin, this is the biggest room. Saka siya ang queen size na bed. And of course, this is also surrounded by the glass window, and from here kita natin yung mga puno. May view tayo ng puno. Di ko sure kung kita or ilapit mo ng konti para makita yung may view dito ng Ortigas and mountain. Yun yung kagandahan dito sa sa area na to, sa subdivision na to. Aside sa flood free siya, though located siya sa Marikina, and we know that Marikina is a flooded area. Pero itong part na to ng Marikina, talagang hindi siya prone sa baha. Tsaka mataas yung area niya, kaya tanaw mo, may view ka dito na overlooking siya. So check naman natin yung ating common bathroom on this 3rd floor. And so di na ako papasok. And so may shower na rin siya, and of course, and toilet and sink. Finally mga kabahay, we're done to our house tour today. And kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aming video, please like and comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. At sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa aming channel, gusto lang din po namin magpasalamat on behalf of our group. Thank you so much po, pagpalain kayo ng ating Panginoon. At sa mga naghahanap po ng property, at if you are interested with this house, please let us know. Call us at 0956-276-5152, or pwede niyo po kaming kontakin sa aming official FB page at Realty Del Moreno. Once again, this is Rodelio Moreno from Homescape Realty, your property assistant. Your dream homes, let's turn it into reality. Thank you so much po. God bless. Okay.